Your Android phone might be running fine, but if Gemini is taking over instead of Google Assistant, it can feel annoying. Most users don't know they can remove it. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall or disable Gemini from your Android phone quickly, so let's do it right now. Method 1. Disable Gemini app. Press and hold the Gemini app, then tap on the Info button. On most Android phones, Google Gemini is tied into the Google app and Google Assistant, so you can't fully uninstall it like a normal app, but you can disable it, so tap on Disable below. Again, tap Disable app to confirm. So method 2. Change Digital Assistant. Open up the settings, then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Next, search Gemini. Next, tap on Gemini Settings. Now scroll all the way down. Tap Google Assistant from Google. Now select Google Assistant. Method 3. Remove Gemini from the power button. Go to the Settings option, then tap on the search icon in the top right. Next, search the side button. Then tap on it, and after that, tap on Long Press. Select Power Off. Now long press Power Off button, and see Gemini is removed. This is how you can remove Gemini from your Android phone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.